Hello children. Children, in this video we are going to practice how to estimate large numbers. Before starting with the examples, let us see the rules which we have to apply. The first step, when we round off a given number to the required place, we consider the next number at the right side. Second step children, if this number is 5 or more than 5. I repeat it. If this number is 5 or more than 5, the number at the required place is increased by 1. And all the numbers at the right side become zeros. Third step children. If this number at the right side is less than 5, then the number at the required place remains the same and all the numbers at the right side become zeros. Let's children now, come on, we'll apply the same rule here. First example. Now 45,98,236, this number we are going to round to the nearest lakh. So this is the required place, lakh. Which number we have to consider then? The right side. And if this number is 5 or more than 5, then the required place is increased by 1. So yes, this number is more than 5. We will increase it by 1. That is, we will add 1 in digit 5 and it becomes 6. And all other digits will become 0. All other digits on the right side will become zeros. Children, just count the digits and put the zeros. So, the rounding number which we get is 46 lakh. Second example, children. Here 45,98,236 is to be rounded to the nearest 10,000. So the required place is children 10,000. And we have to consider the right side number. So if the right side number is 5 or more than 5, then the required place is increased by 1 and rest will become zeros. So yes, it is more than 5. Will increase the required place by 1. So 9 will become 10. 10 children we cannot keep. So this will give 1 to digit 5 and this becomes 6. We don't have to touch it because the required place is 10,000. So, rest of the digit will remain same. Now, other digits will become zeros. Third example, children. Now, 45,98,236 is rounded to the nearest 1,000. So, the required place is children? Yes, 1,000. Consider the right side. The right side is 5, more than 5 or less than 5. It is less than 5. So, the required place remains the same. It will not change. And other digits will become zeros. So, what is the rounding number? It is 45,98,000. Last example, children. Now 45,98,236 is rounded to the nearest 10 lakh. So required place is 10 lakh 4. And consider the next right side digit. If it is 5, more than 5, less than 5, check it first. Yes, it is 5. So if it is 5 children, what was the rule? The required place will be increased by 1. So this becomes 5. And all the right side digits become 0. So children, first count the digits and go on putting zeros. So 0, yes, all zeros. And now the number which we got, rounding number, is 50 lakh. So 45 lakh 98,236, when is rounded to the nearest 10 lakh, children, what we got? 50 lakh. I hope, children, now you can estimate the large numbers and you can apply same rules, children, for estimating the sum and estimating difference. Thank you, children. Stay safe, children.